Okay, we got one piece of salmon here. And of course the recipe is for more than one piece. Anyways, I'm going to rinse this off. Now the marinade has imparted all of the flavor that it should. I don't need the marinade incorporated with the dredging of the flour or cornmeal, because I have a mixture for you right here of both cornmeal and pan. Pan is a pre-cooked white cornmeal. It looks like this here. So we're going to dredge it in this, and we're going to fry it on each side. Okay, so we'll dredge our fish. We're going to start with it. As you can see, I'm not interested in the sides. If I don't get them, I don't get them. And we're going to start on skin side up. We're going to give that a flip. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's looking really good. Keep on cooking. As a matter of fact, I think I probably, this is actually a bigger piece of fish than I thought, which is good for me. Oh, nice crispy skin. We're just going to lay it on to a paper towel. And then we're going to come over here to my table with a little bit of that nice smashed potato. Doesn't take a lot. And we're going to put that crispy piece of salmon right on there like that. And then we're just going to take a little bit of the seafood vinaigrette. I made especially for that. A couple of chives. Fried salmon with mashed potato.